Hey guys, this is Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech again, and here in this video I'm going to talking with about an awesome mobile phone's camera feature by which you can easily copy any text from your anywhere, from like a paper or from your mobile phone too. And here it is guys, it's really work for you guys, and here have no any lags. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm going to talking with about within a shortest trick. So what's that? To know about that, please let's get started with me. Before just starting that my video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my that video with you guys. So guys, if you are a Xiaomi Redmi user, that time you needn't to install any app because that app is already installed in your mobile phone, and that app is the Lens. That means the Google Lens here. So here it is guys, in that Google Lens here you will get a lot of features are there. They have almost 5 features, but from here which features we will use is that is the text features are there. So from the text features, now here I just tap on a paper is there, and from that paper I will tap the text from here. So for that what I have to do, I just click on the tab, and here it is guys, that tab has just captured all the text of there which have contained on that paper and on the specific capture. So from here what I can do is that here from I can just select all the things, and now click, I can copy all those things from here, and I can also search it there or translate it also there. Now I just paste it there in my mobile phone so that I can assure that it will work. So for that here guys, I just go to in the WPS office from here, I just go to there, and here I just paste out my that things, and here you can guys see that everything has just gets text here as just pasted there. Now here you can also just translate it from the as your wish own language to the another language as your one. So here I just translate it from here too, and if you want then you can also search that about from here in the Google. So here it is guys, this is the things that must have to use from the Google Lens. Here it is, according to this, here I think that is really important for me because I haven't sufficient time to type the text here or just text that there, or just search any text for a lot of time. Here if I get any text here to search about that, now I just can open my Google Lens and now go to in the text, and from here I can just tap the text from here, and from here I can just hold all the text from here, or I can just select the specific text from here too by just tapping double tap on the specific button there, and then I can just tap it there. So here it is guys, this is the things that you should know, and I'm really eagerly waiting to know about you guys. So what's about that tricks guys? Do you have get a fun from that tricks? If it's so, then I request you please give me a like that video, share this video to your friends who don't know about that, comment below on this video, and so on guys. So no more today, we will meet in the next video. I have to go for my next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.